Garnet on Blood Clot IG. Lava talk, no? Talk. Tell them where you buy your Robins from.
Hey,
Tell
hey,
remember your neck, remember your neck. Your neck, you black.
Well, you ever go up some party and drink some rum punch and the rum punch weak? Surely bleaching cream weak, na blood clot.
Alright, I am. Remember your neck, I am. Alright. At least me ugly, but me not gonna miss a chinga by my looks. I'm par with my looks. 365, talk fast, but not talk quick. You told me case, hurry up.
I'm man never lie down beside her yet and wake up in the morning and turn around and say, baby, I love you. In the morning, you know, that look so face your body. I'm turn around. I answer
tell you already. I take people, man. That a number one. Girl, man. I keep them. I'm a run term like Obama and blood clot Donald Trump. I tell you that already. Any girl, man, may I take them after sleep over, yeah. And look for me when them blood clot wake up. Because when them did I look me never gonna MUD, me never gonna make up blood clot dopey. Go do my face, I want blood clot face, me say lava. What you mean? Where blood clot mean lava? Yeah, me ugly, me nice, my body firm and comfortable. After the boy now rub me down and them and I stinking on my blood clot skin like quicksand. I want lava, I want my skin not soft like blood clot killer. What you mean? Where blood clot mean lava? Me nice. What you mean? Me not do nothing. Me not got no doctor yet. Now wait till my body start shiver. Them got the doctor go make them string me up and draw me up and stitch up me blood clot.
But you go do your body already, so you might not go to the doctor yet.
Yeah, but that's not the case. Me not tell people say I do my body, them won't know say I do my body because my body not bigger than my blood clot leg. And my body not shaped like L man a blood clot P. And the body when them a walk behind me, them not hurry up to go in front of me because my body ugly. Yeah. My body ugly. Blood clot, all of my body match. My face and my body said same blood clot stage. I want to tell lava. After my body. My body not say 16. And my face say blood clot 60. Everything match. One
what
go.
What you talking about?
What you mean? What you talking about? What you talking about?
What you talking about? It's lava place.
One go. Face and body resemble. My body and not 16 and my face are 70. Oh, you mean? What you talking about?
What you talking about? It's lava place.
Come on.
One go.
One go. Yeah.
Okay.
You mean blood clot. After my body not shine and my face blood clot shrivel up. What you mean? Lover? What you mean?
Okay.
My body not shine like blood clot Vaseline the pan it and my face shrivel up like when blood clot banana get old. What you mean? Talk to me.
So the business so far?
Oh, the business is great. Yes, it's very great. Thank God for all of my blessing. Yeah, you. Big up all of the customer them. Big up to everyone who support me. And I don't know the thing already, but business is fucking great. I'm telling you. I'm tired of you, man.
Yo, Johnny, I'm going to tell you something. Ask a question. Johnny, I'm going to ask a question. Yeah, you may say to you? Wait till you fuck entourage yet?
I don't want to fuck entourage, lava. My pussy not busy. Lava, my pussy whisper, you know. Your blood clot ears to the floor. My pussy whisper. It not loud like put a blood clot July. My pussy not loud like the yang bite them lava. Me not misbehave with my pussy, you know. I talk to my pussy, you know. I reason with my pussy, you know, lava. Yeah. I reason with my pussy and say, see, you pussy, you have to behave yourself. You pussy, you can't walk around and jump for every man you see. Every look good boy where you see. You see, you pussy, some boy belt dearer than them belt because some boy not have no blood clot bed. Some boy live with girl because them use them house as halfway house. Move.
Pussy clot.
Entourage though.
What do you say?
Me not like hype man, you know. Me not like man will look better than me because me have a coward. You know, you tell us my man them shop a VIM, you deaf? Me not like boy will look better than me. Remember me not wear good clothes, lava? Because most of the girls them when me know wear good clothes and them are the baddest bitch, them big ride and take Uber and them don't have a car. please, and thank you very much. Most of the baddie them and bad bitch them, they take cab and beg ride. How long you take for come for me? How long you take for come? Them don't wanna car. Girl, go sell your shoes and your bag and go buy one oopty doopty.
Okay. All right. Big up yourself. All right.
Love, I'm always have to pick up myself. Love you guys.
All right, my friend. Sick. Damn.